till Ijele Chukwuka sees this video. I decided to make this video in English so that every Dick and Harry can hear me. Now, Ijele, let me tell you something. A man who is a man doesn't have to talk too much for people to hear him. A man who is a man doesn't really need to talk too much before people can hear you. A single action like this can make people hear you, see you, and know everything about you. Stop trying to draw attention of Akuzayon to yourselves. To yourself. Akuzayon has clearly seen that you are a nobody. You are nothing. You are nothing. You only brag. You talk too much. You talk too much. A man doesn't have to talk the way you are talking. I couldn't talk when all these things was happening on Facebook. I could not utter a word. He simply acted. He simply acted, and that is what a man who is a man should do. Men are not known to be parrots who talks anyhow like market women. When that GO was arrested, you were the first person who came online and you boasted. You even played a voice note for us. You said you are going to call Master Prophet. You are going to make connection to the IG to know if you bragged about a lot of things. A week and 3 days after that, you did not do anything. Rather, what you did was you printed 50 pieces, 40 pieces of play card and started gallivanting around the street of Abuja, thinking that anybody who even looks the way of Onyala, now Uyala. Don't you know that that is what you have condescended yourself to? You want the almighty Akko. You want the elegant Akko. You want our own God-sent Akko. Our own one-man general, one-man mopo, double engine, double exhaust, to pay attention to you. You are insignificant. You see, we all know that you are trying to draw attention to yourselves. Especially you. You are trying to draw attention. Thank God that they ignored you like a log of wood. They ignored you like a log of wood and a trip of shippings hit somewhere. That is what they did. And that is the most, in fact, that is the best answer you can give to somebody who doesn't even measure up to anywhere. We were waiting for you to follow up with your calls and connection. That the GO was in Abuja there with you for a week and 3 days. You couldn't even see him. You couldn't even see him. Why didn't you go close or around police headquarters to go and see him? You did not see him. You are only bragging. You are only bragging because the issue of IPOB made you gave you a little presence on Facebook, and you think that is all. That is all you can boast of. That is all you can boast of. You can use yourself to compare Akko. You can use yourself for real to compare Akuzayon. And yet Akuzayon hired a son, Michael Zekume. And you people could not even hire even a senior lawyer for that GO. You people went and hired a junior lawyer who could not even stand. Oh my God, oh my God. You people should go and hide your faces in shame. You people should go and hide your faces in shame. I don't even know that up till now, you, Ijele, can still stand your ground to come on Facebook to come and be blabbing. I don't even know that up till now. You can hide. If I am to be you, I will just hide my face in shame. You gave them a very high hope. You gave them a very high hope. You contacted Showore to publish it on Sahara Reporters. You were very active on the first day. On the second day, you heard the weight of Ndogologa people who are involved. You ran away. You ran away. You started looking for attention. Onwubula alahaji nweta alamajiri. Onwubula alahaji nweta alamajiri. Mteto. If you could not do anything to help that GO, what can you do to help yourself? If there is anything you could have done for yourself, you could have done it in the case of that GO. You have come again on another post to start bragging. You are lucky that so and so person calmed you down. If not, everything could have ended in the table of Bubamawa. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should go and hide yourself in shame. You have started bragging again. If they pick you up now and put you behind the bars, people will start crying again, because obviously there is nothing you can do. If there is anything you could have done, you wouldn't even have to wait for anybody to come and start asking or start pleading. You could have shown it. You could have shown it, because Akuzayon took a bull by the horn. Akuzayon swept everybody from the feet. When people were not even expected anything, that's when he striked. He struck, and he was still on top of the, in fact, he was still on top of the matter till the very last minute. You couldn't do anything. You people started relying on a 72 hours ultimatum. You are coming on Facebook to come and start bragging and making mouth. Beside being beside working for the federal government on the case, we know. What else are you? Who else are you? What else can you do? You sit there in FCT Abuja bragging everywhere. Braggart like you. Bragging. Sometimes some people should. So if size, there is level to everything. You want to come and start comparing yourself with Akuzayon? Who are you? What if you will at all on a scale to 1 to 10? Can you gather anything? If you go near, or we will give a Jiko case. Do you think that the money to make case is the money that Facebook pays somebody? Do you think that it is the money that Facebook pays somebody? No, we get Jiko case. What were you doing when you were in Turkey? Before Habunata Obai, you need somebody to you at your place. You need somebody to you at your place. Aku Zion doesn't really need to reply to you. Aku is a big guy. Aku is so big to reply to you. It is people like us that will reply to you. Because when you faithful, they make you always make him mouth. I'm going to call this one, I'm going to call this person. You see what will happen. 1 week and 3 days later, that was when that GO came back. I'm sure you must have regretted ever relying on you. The highest thing you could do is to call Showore to make a post on Sahara Reporters, and it ends there. Did he even try to make that post again? He didn't try to make that post again. Or go and park somewhere. Okay? They park a bullshit park somewhere. But on Facebook, this one went on a Facebook na East also. Olubo Sakwari, your grandmother sneak here in. Aquachozu and Alua Boja we post to video email no worry. Aquachozu and Alua Boja we post to video email no worry. And I manipulate mind in them mad. He had a life in Bahana Pozu. He had a life from that time the burial was going on. Why didn't you go live? So that people will see you and know that you are in nowhere.